In this video, I'm going to show you the best Raw Accel settings for Valorant. So once you've downloaded and installed your Raw Accel, all you want to do is open up the app and then go into Charts and then click on Scale by Mouse Settings and then set your DPI and pull rate to whichever you have on your computer and on your mouse. And now once you've done this, you want to firstly select linear over here. So this is going to be for the linear type of sensitivity, and then leave the sense multiplier on 1, and then the Y to X ratio blank as it is, and then the rotation, make sure to set it to -2. Okay, when you set it to -2, there we go. And then you have to leave the gain checked over here and put the acceleration to 0.04. All right, and now the cap type should be output as it is right now, and the output should be on 1.5, and then the input offset should be at a 0. And then once you've done this, you have to click on apply, and as you can see, the curve has now been made, the linear curve, and you can try it inside Valorant. You can go test it and let me know how it works. If you've liked it, make sure to subscribe to the channel.